So we have two kits right here, and I would like to introduce this first. Oh, this is your TL800, or it's like a Man Rover kind of thing right here. And yeah, as I know, it's it has a Gundam based limited version for this one. And yeah, it's short, it's small, but it's nice. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Yeah. So we have here your. Oh, this is your golf test, a flight test type. Am I right? Or just a golf flight type? Golf flight type. Let me see. Golf. Yeah, golf flight type. Yeah, golf flight type. Because it's a golf which has something burners on here on at the in the part of the legs of the golf, and it can fly on its own. It doesn't just glide or something. It can really fly. It has some turbines.